Okay. Okay, Ridman, before section, any doubts in there?
No, no.
No doubts, right? And are you practice that one, the process builders?
Yes, yes.
No doubts in that, right?
Yes, no doubts in that. Actually, the process builder is the modified and simplest version of the workflow, মানে, flow
Yes,
builders.
yes. Okay. My screen is visible.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Today we will discuss what is import data, what is exports the data. We will see that one. Okay.
Okay, okay,
See, import data means here, see, import data, you can easily import external data into Salesforce here. See, here, what are the data is there? The data you are downloading in that Salesforce, we are downloading. And after we are, if you want to make that, for examples, if your external data, what are that external data is there? The data you are downloading and saving to the Salesforce, we are saving that one. And supported data source include any programs that can save data in column delimited text formats. This format it will be saving to that Excel format. See what are the records your external data is there. That data you are downloading and after it will be saved to that this comma delimited text format dot csv file. You are making that file extensions you are making in that file name you are making dot csv you are making here. Okay. Now, Salesforce offers two main methods for importing the data here. And we have
mm,
that, see, in that Salesforce, we are importing the data also, we are exporting the data also in that. But we are importing the data means it will be that external data we are importing and we are downloading and we are saving to the dot save, we are saving that one. Okay. Now, see, we have the two types of methods to importing the data: data imports wizards and data loaders. These are all the two ways you can import the data into
okay,
the what are the external data is there that you are importing. These two methods we are using: data imports wizards and data loaders also. And
okay,
see what is data imports wizards means. These tools are accessible through the setup menu, lets you import data in common standard objects such as contacts and leads, account, as well as data in custom objects. See, data imports wizards, it will be directly you are going to that setups under the home buttons and you are searching to the data imports wizards we are selecting, and that which are the standard objects it will be supporting data imports wizards means context leads as well as custom objects also. What are the custom? Only these three contact leads and account. These three objects only it will be support the data imports wizards. And
okay,
as well as it will be that customer. What are the custom objects you have created? That objects also it will be support data load, data imports wizards. Okay, and it can imports up to 50,000 records at a time. Here, see, in data imports wizards, you can up to import the record 50,000 records at a time. You can send to the you can import the data here up to 50,000 records import at a time. It will be importing that one. Okay. Now
okay,
data loaders, these the client see data loader is that these the client application that can import up to 5 million records at a time, sir. Here data loaders means we are importing the data, we are exporting the data in data loaders. But data imports wizards only it will be importing the
import,
data only. What are
okay,
the data it will be there that you are importing. But data loaders it will be the client application. That client applications also you are importing the data, we are exporting the data to the clients also here. Okay.
okay,
And in data imports wizards up to 5,000 up to 50,000 records at a time you can import the data in the data import wizards. But here data loaders up to 5 millions of record at a time. You are importing the data up to 5 millions of records, you can import the data here. That possibility it will be there. But
mm,
data imports wizards it will be no, see in that we cannot add in that any blank space it will be not getting. Only it will be getting to that for you For example, any duplicate record is there, that it will be accessible. In data loaders, it is accessible. So that also it will be including data loaders. But in data imports, it is that accurate, and what are the records is there, accurate records. That records only it will be getting. Any duplicate record is there means that time it will be not taking in data imports features. Okay.
Okay, in case
Now,
of data input wizard, it will be eliminated that duplicate one, or it will
Duplicate, it
reject
will
the.
be not duplicate records not allowed in the data imports wizards, but data loader, it can be duplicate values, it will be added in that.
Okay.
And if any data types, either from files or database connections, it can be operated either through the user interface and CLI, command line interfaces. See, these two operators only we using for that. We are exporting the data, we are importing the data. Okay. Now, in the later case, you need to specify data source fields mapping and other parameters via configurations files. This make it possible to automate the import process using API calls, and this API only we are using for the automate and import process using API calls, and data loaders use the SOAP API to process records for faster processing. See, where data loaders we using for the, see, in data loaders only we are using for SOAP API, we are using for the process of record of fast processing. For you are importing the data also we are using for SOAP API only we are using, and we are exporting the data also we are using this SOAP API only we are using for that one. See, now the present scenarios we are using only SOAP API only we are using. Why means it is accurate, and it is the all companies are they are using the SOAP API only they are using, and it is quality also it is good for the SOAP API. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can configure it to use that bulk API instance. See, the bulk API also is there. The SOAP API, bulk APIs, and REST API. These are all the APIs are servers we are using in that Salesforce. We are using that one. Is optimized to load large number of records simultaneously. It is faster than SOAP API due to parallel processing and fewer network round trips. See, compared to SOAP API, bulk API, it will be the more. It is faster than SOAP API that one. Okay.
Mm.
So maybe it will be little bit slow, but bulk API it will be the little bit faster that one.
Mm.
And note, Salesforce recommend you import using a small test files first to make you have the prepared your source data correctly. See, first we are what we are checking means if you are if we, any record you want to export or import you are doing means at that time we are downloading that files, and after we are checking any data is a duplicate values it will be added, and anything it will be there, and everything it will be checking that one. And if you use the data imports wizards means before what are the duplicate values is there, that values are deleting, and after in that also we cannot make to delete in data imports wizards. But before we are going to that only accurate values only it will be showing in the data imports wizards. That we are checking in that Salesforce records. What are the records is that we are checking that one. Okay.
Okay.
Now exports the data. Here, export data, you can easily export data from Salesforce, either or manually or automation schedules. See, we have the two process will be there. And if you make manuals also, you can use and you can export the data, or automatic schedule. For example, if you make any schedules you're making means at that time it will be going to that it will be exporting the data also. The two
Mm.
way you can export the data also it will be possible here. Now, the data is exported as a set of comma separated values. See, in that we are which data we are exporting, that files before we are saving that it will be make to the give the extension of .csv. You can save the file name. File name it will be what you are exporting the data, what that that objects names, and that you can make it in .csv files. You can make it that one. And data exports tools provides a convenient way to obtain a copy of your Salesforce data either for backup or for importing into different systems that one. See, we are backupping the data or we are importing the data also here. Okay.
Mm.
Now, see, Salesforce offers two main methods for exporting the data. Data export services and in a browser service accessible through the setup menus. See, based on the setup menu only, directly we are going to that setup and we are searching with the left side. We are quick find. We are searching for the data export services we are using, and it will be there. You can search, and there it will directly you are going to that export data. We are going that one. Now it allows you to export data manually once every Sunday, every 7 days for weekly exports, or 29 days for monthly export. See, when
Okay.
we exporting the data means weekly once we are sending to the data, and monthly also, or 29 days, 29 days for monthly export, we exporting the data also. And you can also export data automatically at weekly or monthly intervals. See, if you want to make anything schedules you make means that it automatically that sending to the exporting the data to the weekly or monthly, it will be going that one. Okay. Now
Okay.
weekly exports are available in enterprise, performance, and unlimited editions. See, we have that plans. Plans also is there, and how much data it will be sending to that. See, these are all the plans: enterprise and the performance and unlimited editions. That also it will be there. That I will tell what are the plans is there for that. See, 1 week, if you get these plans means enterprise and performance and limited editions, if you take means there, there will see, for examples, you can take when we use this are all means, you if you are you have a monthly plans will be there for Geos and Airtels, it will be the monthly plans it will be there. Same like here also, we want to export the data means we will get the plans also. That plans if you get means that time only you can make it to exports and import the data also. Okay. That also I will tell how it will be working also, I will tell that one. And in professional editions and developer edition, you can generate backup files only every 29 days or automatically at monthly intervals only. See, in professionals and developer editions, you can what are the records is there that you can backup also, it will be possible. In 29 days, you see the file only every 29 days are automatically at monthly intervals only. See, only 1 month once you can back up the record also, it will be possible if you take the provisional editions and developer edition if you take means. Okay. Now, data
Okay.
loader is a client application that you must install separately. It can be operated either through the user interface or the command lines. See, this data loader is that the client application that you must can be separately. You can install some of some operator will be there. A data loader functionality it will be there that you can download separately. You can download it that one. Now it can be operated either through the user interface or the command lines. See, based on that, you if you use that user interface, use means you can use it. No means you can use that command line also. You can use it here. And the later option is useful if you want to automate the export process or use API to integrate with another systems also. And how to create import data using the data imports wizards that we will see today. Now, and what is the difference between data loaders and imports wizards? Data loader is that external tools supports exports and import data. Here, see, here data loader it will be supporting that exporting the data also it will be possible, and importing the data also it will be possible. But import wizards is an internal tool. It importing the data into Salesforce. Here, what are the external data is there that we are that you are importing to the Salesforce here. Okay. Now, data loader supports. Data loader supports both customs and standard objects. See, in data loaders, what are the standard objects is there that also it will be supporting, and what are the custom objects it will custom objects is there that also it will be supporting in data loaders. And import wizard supports accounts, contacts, leads, solutions, and custom objects. These four objects only, the custom standard objects, what are the standard objects is there, accounts, contact, leads, and solution. These four only it will be supporting. And custom objects also, what are the custom objects you have created, that objects also it will be supporting for the import wizards. Okay. Now data loader supports up to 5 millions of records. See here, data loader it will be supporting up to 5 millions of record it will be supporting. But imports wizards it supports up to 50,000 records only it will be supporting that one. Now, duplicate values allowed in the data loaders, but duplicate values not allowed in imports wizards. And delete operation is available in data loaders, and delete operation is not available in the imports wizards. This is the difference between the data loaders and imports wizards. See, in duplicate values you can allowed in the data loaders, but duplicate value not allowed in that imports wizards. But delete operations is available in data loaders. Here, if you want to make any changes also you can make it, and if you don't want it, you can delete also, it will be possible in data loaders. But imports wizards we cannot changes, and we cannot delete also, it will be not possible. If it is a duplicate values also, it's not allowed in the data imports wizards. Okay.
Okay.
Now, okay, now Zidiman, can share your screen
Yes.
it first. Yeah. Now, in search data loader IO, you can select it. Data loader IO. Data
This one.
that one.
Downloads.
No, these not. See here, data loader is a client application for the
Mm,
bulk imports and export of the data.
mm.
Use it to insert and update, delete, and export Salesforce record also. See
Okay.
here, it is a client application. It is a client application. You can export to that bulkly. You can export the data, and
Mm.
bulkly you can import the data also, if
Input
it is
data.
possible in the data loaders. And here also you are making that if you want to make any insert, for example, you created record, if you want to make any changes also, you can insert it to the record also, it will be possible. You can update the values also, it will be possible here. And if you want to delete also, it will be possible in data loaders. Okay.
Mm.
Go to the downloads. Confirm it. Browser trials.
Okay.
Browser trial, click it.
This one.
Yeah.
Same.
Come down. Come down. Sign up Salesforce developer editions.
Okay.
Little bit come back. Go to the second tab, you can come.
Okay. Which one?
Second.
Okay. Tab.
Yes. Before tab.
Okay.
Data loader. Yeah, that one.
Okay.
Now, just a
Right.
minute.
Okay.
Developer guides and downloads, and download option you can give it.
Mm.
Confirm it. And the download summer 23 release, for that one you can click it.
This is downloaded.
Yeah. Open that one.
Okay. I think export zip file.
Open.
Not open it.
Not opening that one.
Mm.
Yeah. Come back.
Okay.
Mm, data loaded Salesforce tab, you can go there. In quick find, you can search data loader IO, you can select it.
Okay. Right. Data loader.
Dataloader IO.
I.
IO.
Okay. Okay. Dot IO. Okay.
And the
Oh,
data loader in between, don't give that space also.
okay. Is
And
it correct?
data loader IO. Now down it will be showing, see, data loader IO.
IO.
Okay.
Okay. This one.
Yeah.
Launch the
Launch
download.
data loader IO.
Yes. Yes. Launch the data loader IO.
Yes.
Okay. Acha, this is the inbuilt. Okay. Confirm.
Now log in with Salesforce.
Okay.
Don't select.
Okay.
Just a minute. Yeah.
Mm.
Log in it.
Uh,
Don't
Login.
select.
Okay.
Log in.
Okay.
Now come down. Hello.
Allow. Okay.
Now here you can see, just a minute. Here you can see there what are the basics and imports and exports and delete. These are
Oh,
all the functions we are applying that on.
okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now see, these are all that they are given that introduction of that imports and what is exports and what is delete. They are given the introduction of
Yes.
that topics they are discussed there.
Yes.
Now little bit go up.
Okay.
That is documentation for that one. Now go to that new
Yes.
task. You can go there. New task.
New task. Okay.
Left side,
New
left side.
task. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
click that one. Just a minute. Go to that upgrade. You can go there. Upgrade.
Oh, great. Okay.
See, these are all the plans for that one. You are importing and exporting the data means that time you can make that plans also, it will be there. See, we have that
Free. Acha,
types of.
up to 10 MB, it is free.
Yes,
Okay.
see, we have the three types of plans it will be there. And one is free, and one is professional,
Professional.
and one is
Enterprise.
enterprise. And these three types, see, this one free services, it will be showing that only, see, number of records you can send for month, only 10,000 record only you can
10,000.
send that.
Yes.
Yeah, but in that 99 plans, you can see up to 1 lakh records, you can export the data or import the data.
Okay.
And if you take the 299 plans means that time you can unlimited data. You can unlimitedly you can send the data and you can import the data. You can
Got
import
the
the
data.
data. Okay. Number of task here in free service also you can make it unlimited. So task you can make it, and professional also you can make it number of task unlimited, and enterprise also you can make it unlimited. The with both three plans it will be the unlimited for number of tasks. And file size limits. See, for example, if you are sending that record, for example, you are sending any record, you are sending any file you are sending, that it will be the limit of file size limit will be the 10 MB for that free users. But in professional also, it will be that 99 plan also, it will be the 50 MB file size limit, it will be the 50 MB only. For example, you are sending that what are the record you are created, that record if you are downloaded means, that time it will be showing that how much of MB for that file, and based on that files in free service only 10 MB only, up to 10 MB only it will be taking, but in professional up to 50 MB it will be taking, but enterprise up to 100 MB it will be taking that one, the file size that one. Okay. Now, exported related objects. See here up to 1,000 objects you can relate it to export the related objects. For example, your one objects you are given the relationship, you are given two objects, you are given account and contact. And contact record is the related object for that account. And that contact objects record also up to 1,000 records you can export the data or import the data. It will be possible in that free service. But in professionals, you can export and import the data up to 10,000 you can make it, and enterprise also you can make it up to 1 lakh it will be taking related objects. What are the related objects you are given, that objects record up to 1 lakh of record, you can export the data or import the data possibles in 299 plans. And
Okay.
dropbacks and box FT fees. Here, both frees and professionals and enterprise, it will be supporting the dropbacks and the box and FTP also. Now, SFTPs only it will be support for the enterprise only, it will be supporting them. And schedule task means you can make it only one time only, you can use for the schedule task for zero plan. But in 99 plan also up to 50 schedule task you can make it. But in 299 plans up to unlimited schedule task you can make it, that like the plans it will be there. And Salesforce connections, here in free service only one connection it is be possible, and professional also it is one connection, and enterprise it will be the connection with the 10 connection you can make it. For examples, who are the connections, it will be there more connections. For if you want more connection means, that time you can use it enterprise, you can use it that plans, it will be useful for that. If you want to make more connections to that another person also, it will be useful for that enterprise plans, it will be more useful that one. Now, task expirations. For example, so you are given any task you are given means that it will be working up to 30 days only, it will be working, after it will be not working, the task expiration. But if you're go to that professionals and enterprise, it will be the, if you're given any task you are given means that it is never it will be expiring the task. Okay. Now, email notifications. Here only one task only you can make it here. And here unlimited in professionals and enterprise, you can make unlimited email notification you are getting here. Now,
Hmm.
support. Here, the free service, it will be support only, the community only it will be supporting. But in professionals and enterprise, emails and community also it will be supporting them. Both it will be supporting in professionals and enterprise. And Salesforce Canvas user interface, it will be not supporting for the pre-service, and only it will be supporting for the professionals and enterprise only it will be supporting. And Salesforce security. See, in free service, it will be the not have the not have any security. It will be not have, but in professionals and enterprise, it will be have that more. You have that more security will be there in that professionals and enterprise. Now, if you are going to that get the plan also, it will be there. And if you want to make to that plan also, you can create that company will be providing for that the plans, how it will be working. You want to export the data, if you want to import the data means, that time it will be taken. Okay, now little bit come down. And if you want to make any plans you want to take means, at that time you can give that next option, you can give the next option.
Okay. So take the free one. Okay. I think
Enterprise
one
it
minute.
will be
It is
showing.
enterprise is clicked. Yes, yes.
The
So
free plan it will be not showing that one. I'm
no,
showing,
no.
no, free option it will be not showing that one.
Yes, yes. It is not
Next it
showing.
now.
Okay. Oh, 30 days
Yeah, 30
use.
days free for that one. See, the
Okay.
299 plan you are selected, and you want to make that activation is if you want means, at that time you can take it and you can export and import the data, it will be easily possible that one.
Okay.
Okay. Now, see, these that payment. If you done that payment means, after that plans it will be active, and that plans based on the plans only you can export and import the data.
Okay.
Now close it.
Yes, sir.
Close it. Close it. Yeah,
Okay.
cancel. Yeah, we don't want to activate the plan. Now, now we can go to that new task. Now we are importing the data. Now go to that imports.
Okay. Import
Now here you can select that account object.
account object.
Account. Yes, select it.
Yes.
See, these are all the three operations we are applying: inserting and upsets and updating. Okay.
Yes.
Now your connection will be there. Dhritiman only one connection only it will be there. Why means it is that Salesforce connection, only one connection. If you make
Yes.
10 connection, if you make means at that time it will be the 10,
Payment.
10 Salesforce valid account, it will be showing here. If you take
Okay.
the
Okay. Okay.
plan.
Money. this account is connected to this account only.
Yeah. Connection
That
means
is
the Salesforce
okay.
connection, only one connection only, it will be their free service. And
Yes.
enterprise also, it will be the only one
No, 10
connection.
connection. In case of enterprise, 10 connection.
Yes. Now select that account object,
Yes, account object I have selected.
come down,
Okay. Oh, only.
select it. Account objects you can select. Yeah. Now give the next.
Okay. Yes.
Now, no, you are going wrong. Go
Okay.
to
Previous.
previous.
Oh,
Yeah. Now, account. Okay.
next.
Next it.
Okay. Next.
Now,
Okay. My computer.
just a minute. Just a minute. No. Go to the previous ones. We have to some editing is there. Go to the previous.
Yes
Ritman.
or no? Yes. Yes.
Go to the previous. Yeah. Select account object.
Account object.
Click it. Click it. Account. See here we are selecting the record. Don't give the next.
Okay. No, I have not given the next. I just double clicked it. It's okay. New task. Import. I think export the data. Import means it is from my computer or any Gmail ID or Google Drives.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Export it.
Yes, that's why it's called upload the CVC file. Yes,
Select account.
account object. Yes, next it.
Here also we are using the
Yes,
SQL
yes,
query.
yes, it's coming.
See, these are all that. What are the fields you are created in that account object? That fields it will be showing here. Now
Yes, yes.
here we are selecting that which fields you want. That fields only it will be selecting that one. Account ID,
Account name, account
account
number,
number, account phone number. That
account
records
phone,
only you can download it. That one. Account phone number and
account type. Okay,
account type and annual revenue.
annual
And
revenue.
yeah, see, I selected only the four fields I selected here. And if you
Yes.
know that SQL queries and SOSLs, if you know means that time you'll understand how it will be working also.
Okay, okay, yes.
Now you can come down
Okay, calm down.
and click the SQL queries. You can click it.
SOQL queries. This one.
Yeah, that one you can click it. Click it.
Yes.
See here, what are the fields you are
Oh,
selected? Select ID,
selected
name,
ID name,
account number,
account number.
phone, type, annual revenue from account. Account
Yes,
that you are selected that say these are all the fields you are selected. And
yes.
these are all the fields records only it will be showing that one. That only you are downloading and we are exporting the exporting the data here.
Mm-hmm.
Now okay now these see these SQL queries it will be coming to that your platform development one it will be coming. But here also we are using that based on that
Acha,
SQL
acha, like
you can make it.
MySQL, the select keyword is used here.
Yes. Now
Okay,
come
okay.
down.
Yes.
Next it.
Next.
Yes.
Okay.
Now
42 records. Okay.
if you want to make any schedule task also you can make it. No problem means leave it. No problem.
Okay.
Now save and run it down.
Okay. 7 run. Okay. Use bulk API. It is required.
No, not required.
Okay. 7 run.
And let just a minute.
Oh. Mhm.
Yeah, just a minute. Just a
Mm,
minute. Just a minute.
mm.
It will be taking the time also. The time you can download it.
Okay. Dataloader.
Little bit come down.
Yes, yes. No, yes.
Go up little bit. Go up and refresh it once. Don't go down.
Is there any cross symbol? Oh, not now.
Not
Okay.
now. Let me load more
Yes.
data.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you can select 42 success. You can select it.
42 success for this. Okay, this one. Hyperlinked.
Yeah. There it will be the file it will be showing, and you can download
Okay,
it.
previous
Now,
file. Okay,
yeah.
PSP file. Oh, it's opening in Excel file.
Yes, yes. Can you share your screen?
Okay, yes, it is shared. I think you are sharing. Is it not visible?
Not visible screen.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay,
Reshare it.
yes. Is it now visible?
Just a minute. Yeah. See, what are the fields you selected? That fields only the account ID, account name, account number, account phone number, and account. Uh, can you can you
Yes,
increase this? Yeah, yeah. Can you increase that cell size? Yes.
yes. Account
Account
type.
type and annual revenue also you can increase the size
Yes,
and increase the size. And what are the record you have selected? That records only it will be showing here. What are the fields you have selected?
yes. Account ID, account name, account number, account phone number, type, and annual revenue.
Okay.
42.
Now, see
Yes.
here some changes also. So the sorting also you have done. And account ID, can you increase the cell size also? That one. It will be
Account ID. Okay, yes.
yeah.
Okay,
Okay. Now see these are all you are done for that one.
yes.
Okay. Now we can save it and save as it this one. Save as.
Okay. Yes.
Go to that files. Save as. Files,
Change.
files.
Okay. That was-
Okay. CSV files only. Now save it. Save it now.
Okay. Uh,
Account export.
sorry. Next. Oh,
Okay. Now save it. Now save it.
uh,
Now
okay.
go to that
Salesforce.
yeah, data loaders. Before we
Okay.
are there you can go.
Is it now visible?
No, not visible.
Okay. Let me share that one. Data loaders. Yes. Now it is visible.
Yeah, yeah. See,
Yes.
it's like we're what are that exporting the data you want. That data that fields only we are selected. That data only we are sending to the other source.
Mhm. Yes.
And here, see, and how to see now up to now how to export the data we are
Export the data. Yes. From
okay.
Salesforce. Yes.
Now use update data loader, update data. How we are updating the values
Okay.
also that also we will see now. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Now again you can go to that new task
New task 1 minute. Oh, yes. 1 minute. Yes.
and
Delete import
select
and
imports,
export.
imports.
Okay. Imports. Yes. Import.
Now select update option operation. You can select it.
Update operation. Yes.
Now
Select the
um,
account.
account object.
Yes. Next.
Next and upload CSV files. Click it that way.
Yes. Okay.
See, these are all that dropbacks and bugs, database, secure FTPs.
Oh.
Now you can account experts. You can select it. Account expert.
This one or this one. Both are same, but I renamed that one.
Rename. You can take it.
Yes.
Open it.
So another 42 files will be added up.
Yes, yes. See, these are all that records. It will be the account ID, account names, and account number, account types, account type. These are all that it will be showing here. And now, just a minute.
Okay, I can delete the data and also can add it, modify.
Now save it.
Okay, save. Oh, next.
Yeah, next it.
Okay. 42 data based on IP 2000 record per request.
Come down little bit.
Save.
Now
Save and run.
Save and run. Run it.
Run.
Now
Account update. Okay.
see the account export also we are done, and account update also we are done. It will be coming, that code it will be coming, task run code it will be coming. That record
Okay.
you can see.
Okay.
It will be taking time also sometimes. Tritiman.
Yes.
And one thing, and if it is admin, the in 2-3 classes is there admin classes.
Okay.
And if it is complete admins, I am taking that interroute. I am taking.
Yes.
But
So I have to prepare for that one.
yeah,
Okay.
you can prepare it, and we will that one.
Okay.
And if
Yes.
it is complete admins, and after we will start with platform development, we will start.
Okay. LWC.
Yes.
Okay.
LWC, no, that is the platform development one. That is Apex programming and SOP.
Okay. Apex. Okay.
That one.
Acha, later after that we go LWC and transfer.
No. That LWC it will be coming. Platform development too. It will be coming. And this
Oh.
only platform development one. It will be that Apex programming basic knowledge only.
I think I have done little bit one. Like there is a uh, console. There is a we have to write that one code.
Yes. That one only we are using, and we are creating for that.
Okay.
Refresh it once.
Okay.
Now 42 success. You can take it. See 0 error. It will be there. Okay. Now select it 42 success. Go and check it. Open that file.
Yes, I opened that one. This is.
But it will be not showing for me.
Oh, okay. 1 minute. Is it now visible?
Yeah. And see, up to 32 records is there.
Yes.
And these are all record item update records. Sony. Okay. These are all records. It will be checking that one. If it is anything you want to update also, you can update it that one. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Account. Okay.
if you want to make any comment also, you can make it and you can send it to them.
Okay.
Now, okay. Now come back. Come back. Now go to that app launcher.
Yes, sir. Just what to do. This. My screen is visible.
Yeah, visible. You can go to that data loader.
Data,
The tab.
data loader. Yes, it is there. Data loader.
No, here not. Go to the tab
Oh,
4.
actually, okay. Tab 4. Okay.
The first
Tab.
one. The first.
Okay. This one.
Yeah. Go to the tab launcher. Now finally we are checking to the list view of the imports. We are checking that one.
Okay.
Now, in that you can select sales. You can select it.
Okay.
Select account tab.
Account.
And list view control means this one. The recently viewed is there, no?
List view. Where it is? Okay. This. No, it is the search list. Recently viewed. Okay. List view. It is in list view.
List view, control icons and select new. Select new. No, no, no. Go to that imports. Imports.
Okay. Imports.
Select imports.
Yes. Imports.
And see, now we are selected that standard objects we are selected, right? Account
Yes.
standard objects. If you are a custom objects means that time it will be showing to that here. And see here, import your data into Salesforce means you can import up to 50,000 record at a time. It is the data imports wizard, that one.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now,
Click that one. Account and contacts.
just a minute. Come back. Come back. That is importing the data. We are discussing data loaders, right?
Hmm. Yes. Hmm.
List view. Only I can see these list views. Now, list view control icons and here left side you can come here.
Left side. Okay.
Left, sorry, right side, right side.
Hmm. Hmm.
And here you can see down it will be showing that symbols it will be showing. No? That one you can click it
Yes. Yes.
one by
Which one?
one. Filter and
Edit list.
edit list is there and
Refresh.
refresh and one more
Display as tab.
and settings.
Hmm.
List view control. Yeah, click it that one.
Okay. New
New, select it new.
account.
Give the name. Mm,
Account list view.
account modified today. Account modified today.
Account modify today. Okay.
Now, wait.
Only I can see
Only I
this.
can see the list views. Okay.
Okay.
Now see.
Save.
Yeah. Now, here you can see that. Dhritimman DMD is no. We are checking
Yes.
for the account side, billing state, phone number, type. Okay.
Yes.
These are all checked now.
Yes.
Now, mm, under filter, go to that filter,
Okay. Filter. Account. Add filter.
add filters. Add filters, you can select it.
Hmm.
Now, account names, select last modified date, you can select it.
Last.
Last mode. Down,
Is
down. Yeah, that one. Last modified date. Yes.
equal operator
Equals
value
today.
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 Today's date 31. Okay, 31.
No, no, no. Day
Okay,
only. Today only you can test.
okay. Today.
Extend.
Is it correct?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, done.
Done it. Now, the add filters again. Add filters
Add
again.
filters again. Okay.
Now, account side not equal to, give some values. Give some values.
Values numeric value.
Anything you can give it, no problem.
Okay,
If you're not given also, don't give blank only, you can give it, no problem.
okay.
You've done it now.
Done.
And now you can save it. Right side.
Hmm.
Save it. Now, done.
Where it is done. Okay, okay. Is it done? Customer command.
Go to the printable view.
Printable view. Okay. Node equals to display.
Account modified today. Number of records.
Display put 0.
Refresh it once. Account modified today's number of records. Close windows when this page. Copyrights 2022-23 Salesforce.com. Close windows this one.
Okay.
All records modified that one. Close
Close
windows.
this window.
Now,
I think not side.
now go to that control. No, no, no. Settings, gear icons.
Yes.
They're not, they're not. Here, down, the bottoms.
Bottom.
The
What?
gear icon.
This gear icon.
No, 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 down, it will be shown.
Okay, okay. This list view.
List view controls.
Okay, okay.
Just a minute. And selected fields to displays and edit list filters. Delete. Okay, clones, new. Okay. If you want to make anything, you want to make changes means you can go to that clone and after you can change it that one.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
And if
Okay,
you
okay.
want to make rename also, you can make it that one. Edit list filter, select to displays and okay. Now your field was updated there. Okay. Now close it
Okay,
there.
okay. Okay.
Mm, Just a minute. Now go to the object account object again.
Account object. Okay. Yes.
Timan, Ankita. Go to that Sonu. Sonu.
Okay, so
Details.
mm,
Come down. And what are the values you are updated there?
Sonu, industry and annual revenue.
Account site equal to some values you are given, right? Account site equal to some values and
Account side is given blank, I think.
one more. What are the one more? It will be given.
Yes, one more we have given, that is
Last
what.
modified date equal to today.
Yes, last today, yes.
Yeah, come down.
Last
Last.
modified date
Yeah,
by,
this one. Okay.
yes, today is, yes, that is correct, yes.
354, it's correct. Okay.
Yes.
This like we are updating that records we are updating in exports date.
Okay, then we can choose any of these uh values like a SIC code, like any
Which
other,
value you want, that value you can update it.
any field, yes.
That values it will be changing.
Yes,
Now, again, you can go to that account object, click account object.
account object, yes.
Yes. Now, go to that control list control view.
Okay, yes. This here,
New,
new API
give that name.
account update. Uh,
Okay, go to
field
the
account name.
account name.
Okay, account name and any account type, like
You can take come down.
active status, clean check, clean status.
Clean status you can take it.
Yes,
Equals
equal,
different.
different. Okay.
Now,
We have used the several times different status, I think, in our previous examples. Not
okay,
equal.
that means no problem.
Okay. Equal, different.
Add filters again. Now, account name, change
Account name. Okay.
down,
Account
change
name
equal
equal.
to some values you can get.
Uh,
Values.
text in text form.
Yeah,
Okay.
text form, give the name.
New name, I think.
Yeah,
That
Ankit or something.
Ankita. Okay. Ankita.
Done.
Then
Done it.
okay. Okay. Done.
Now save it.
Okay.
Now done.
Yes, it is done.
Yeah, edit list.
Go
Okay.
to account.
Now go to that account. Go to that Ankita.
Why it is Ankita?
Go to that Excel sheet and go and check it that one.
Okay. Downloaded that one.
Yeah,
Okay.
now we are updated the values we are updated.
Yes. No, this was not.
Go to the data loaders once.
Okay, data loaders. Okay. Mm, data loaders. Hmm. Data loader.
42 success, you can click it.
42 success. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, open it that one. Open.
Yes. My skin is visible.
Not visible.
Okay. Is it now visible?
Yeah, visible. Come down. Item updated. Update. And which record you want to update, that record you can update it here.
Okay, okay.
Now, this like we are updating the values we are updating.
Okay, okay.
Okay. What's the time now?
4:15.
Okay. Okay, Ritman, we have the interview is there.
Okay, okay.
Okay, next section we will continue.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.